you excited, Maddie?
Kind of.
First job is to stick the badge on. You see the badge? Okay, let's stick it on.
I'm really nervous.
And then it will work. Are you really nervous? That's pretty good. Right. Let's take it for a test drive. Okay, first test of the Ferrari. I think it was 7 years ago at this site where I last said that. Are you ready to go, Maddie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, take it easy. Go. This is just on a 5-cell battery. I suppose ultimately it will operate on a 12-cell. This is the lowest speed, lowest power. I don't know how much accelerator she's giving it at the moment. She's just taking it easy, like I told her to, which is good. So, what have we done since the last episode? I've made some headlamp covers, which are not that great. I'm going to have to redo them. They've got a few bubbles in them, and this is just temporary trim. These are just held on with sellotape for now, just for the pictures. I've added a couple of boards to mount the power system. So we've got the speed control, an extra battery for the speed control servo tester board, and then the 8000 milliamp 5-cell is for the motor at the moment. So this is just running at less than half speed, and some seats which are just aluminium shell with some foam on, just so that Maddie can do some driving with it. And then there's an on-off button for a remote operated power switch, which cuts the power to the battery. That was a fairly successful test. Needs some mud guards, because obviously it's very open inside at the moment, so there's lots of mud and debris that has ended up inside, but it's a successful test, Maddie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Let's load it up.